Hello guys, welcome to Unboxing Tech and subscribe. Today we are going to unbox the Mi AirDots, so let's do its unboxing. Now moving to specification, the Mi AirDots 2 have large 14.2mm drivers with support for AAC for a fuller audio experience, as the company says. The earphones will connect to Android or iOS devices using Bluetooth v5.0 with a range of 10 meters. The TWS earphones boast of a battery life of 5 hours on a single charge and 20 hours with the charging case. Speaking of the case, it charges via USB Type-C port at 5 watts and takes 1.5 hours to charge completely. The Mi AirDots 2 feature touch controls for volume and track changing, answering calls, and voice assistance. The earphones also have dual microphone noise reduction as well as wear detection that stops music playback when you take the earphones out of your ear. The earphones have a noise cancellation and built-in touch sensor on the earphone. Each of the earphones weighs 4.7 grams and the weight of the case for the Mi AirDots 2 is 48 grams. Thanks for watching the video.